Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to clear cookies and cache on iPhone. And we can do this in two ways. The first way is go to settings, scroll down to apps and search in this bar for Safari. Then from here click on it, scroll a little bit down, and here it says clear history and website data. Please click on that and then do all history and close all tabs. Right now we just cleared our data and our cookies in Safari, so this is the first step. The other step is go back, and go to general. Then from here click on iPhone storage, and right now we want to delete the cache from our app. So what we need to do is go to that app, let's see, Lensa, and we want to offload this. So we click on offload and offload the app. Right now we removed the cache from this app by offloading this app, and if you do this for all your apps, you delete your cache and cookies in 2 steps. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and then for now, thanks for watching.